I'm Brian McCarthy, and you're on scene with us in Lawrence Township, where the fast thinking and fast actions of a Good Samaritan saved this home. Let's see what's going on.
I have a cell phone. I thought I didn't get to come to work today. Who were you working for? No, I was just dropping off the truck for the Gallo construction. They were working. So you work for Gallo? Yeah. Truck driver once in a while. Okay. What are you working for today? See if there's anything smoldering under there, huh?
I'm Brian McCarthy, and you're on scene with us in Lawrence Township, where a...
Get my badge. Get my badge today? Blowing up that well, I started spraying it down. But if you would have probably been 10 minutes late, the whole thing would have been going on fire.
Were you guys working out here?
Where were you working?
Yeah.
Huh?
Gallo Construction.
Oh, okay. You local?
Yeah.
Cool. Just tell me what happened. Your name is?
Joe Farfalla.
Okay.
And smelled a little smoke, looked over to my right, seen the flames rolling up the house, ran over there, got the hose from next door, put the water on it. Hopefully that did the trick.
You knocked it down till the fire department got
Yes,
here.
I did.
You work for Gallo Construction?
Yes.
Today?
Today.
Okay.